Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to sew the beautiful jacket for a 5 years old girl. This is my main fabric. Its length is half meter. This is soft fabric and this is for lining, and this is matching fabric for ruffle. For this I will make an embellishment in this jacket. After sewed, this jacket look like this. I hope you will like it. First, I will cut the back part of my jacket. This fabric has a beautiful patchwork, so I am keeping it in the center. Now fold the fabric in a half and take the measurement. Total length is 11 inches including the seams allowance. So mark on 11 inches and after that remove the extra fabric. As I told you before, I am making this jacket for a 5 years old girl, so take your own measurement. I have cut it except the neckline. Please note that back side armhole length is 1 inch more than the front armhole length. This trick gives an extra finishing to your jacket. It's time to cut the front part of this jacket. I just keep back side of jacket on this and trace it. Please note that front side armhole length 1 inch smaller than the back side armhole length. Before cut out, I give little bit more curve to the armhole as well. This jacket will open from the front side, so I will cut right side of jacket and then I will cut the left side as well. It's time. This is front curve tool. Through this I will give a perfect curve shape of this jacket. Front part and back part of main fabric cutting is completed. Now cut the lining fabric as same as the main fabric like that. This is the matching fabric for ruffle. I am cutting 2 inches long straight strips. After cutting, I will sew among them. After sewed, I'm going to make a ruffle in this like that. It's time to sew the shoulder seams of both parts of the jacket. After sewed, it's time to sew ruffle in this. I made a picot design in order to make it more beautiful. Instead of picot design, you can simple hem it, or you can add your own trimming glue like piping, rickrack trims, lace trims. You can have many choices in order to embellish this area. Before lining with the jacket, I am pinning this ruffle strips to the jacket. After pinning, I will sew it. As you see that I have sewed it, you can see. Now it's time to sew the lining with the jacket. From bottom I hem it and then sewed the shoulder seams. Pin jacket and lining right side together. Place the lining on top of the main fabric so that all the edges are together. Pin on shoulder seams, armhole and all round the front part of jacket, and ruffle are in between the lining and the main fabric. After pinning both parts, sew them together. After sewed, take a scissor and notch all the way along armholes, front side, back side of jacket. Now it's time to pull the back side of jacket through the shoulders to turn jacket right way around. So put your hands through the shoulder of the jacket and grab the front pieces of jacket and pull it through. You will need to do it on both sides. Now press all edges. Be careful that all the curves are smooth and that the lining is not peeking out to the right side of the jacket. Now it's time to sew the side seams. For this, open up the jacket pieces as well. You can see the wrong side of the back jacket and back lining. Side seams, raw edges should be flat and in a straight line. Place the back jacket side seams on the top of the front jacket side seams and ensure that they line up with the right side facing each other. Sew from raw edges along both side seams. Press the side seams open, then fold the jacket back down so that the raw edges are between the jacket and the lining. I already made a video about lining. Link is mentioned in description. In that I explain in detail about that. Now it's time to close the back side of a jacket. I already hemmed the back lining from here. First pinning it in order to sew it easily. And hand stitching is good for that. See, the finishing and stitches are not visible on front side also. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.